This 3-year-old male has recently been expelled from his troop. He's hungry. Macaques are largely vegetarian. In the winter, when food of any kind is scarce, they will tackle anything remotely edible. However, a lone young male is unlikely to survive much longer unless he can find a way of keeping warm. And to do so, he may have to travel through up to 50 miles of empty forest. Bare hands and feet can become painfully cold. Rubbing them helps restore the circulation. Frostbite could be fatal. Young male macaques are most likely to die in their first winter than at any other time. But just like him, here is another young male outcast. Offering to groom is a standard way of establishing a friendly relationship among macaques. And the stranger's warm embrace is very welcome. By huddling together, they shield each other from the snow, and both their temperatures rise. Just a little. This could be enough to save the lives of both of them.